Welcome back, learners. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to host a Facebook watch party in 2020. If this video helps you out, please do leave a like and smash subscribe for more videos like it. So go ahead and open up Facebook, make sure that you're logged in, and from the Home tab, you want to go to the top part of the screen where it says What's on Your Mind. Click on What's on Your Mind. Here it will bring you to the Create a Post window where you can scroll almost to the bottom where it says Watch Party next to the purple bucket of popcorn. Go ahead and click on Watch Party. From this page, you can add videos to your watch party in many different categories. For instance, for you, watched by you, saved by you, and so on and so forth. For today's example, we will just pick a few at random. You pick a video to add to your watch party by simply clicking on it and adding it to the queue. After you have selected all the videos that you want to add to your watch party, go to the top right-hand part of the screen and click Done. Now you can add to your post. You can tag friends, add a location, add a feeling or activity. You can also just say something about your watch party. You can also edit the privacy of your watch party. For instance, underneath your profile name, you notice it says Only Me. We can switch that to public. When you've made your selection, you can back out. And then when you're all set with your post, click Post, top right-hand part of the screen. Its final beat. And there is our watch party. We can comment on it. We can give a reaction to it. We can see how many people are in the watch party, and we can share. When you're all set watching, click the back arrow, and you can leave for now, or you can end the watch party if you are the watch party's creator. You can, of course, cancel that if it was a mistake. We will end our watch party. And then back out with the X. Brings us back to the Home tab. I hope this video helped you out. Please stay tuned for the next one for more great tricks on how to master social media and marketing. Thanks for watching. Take care.